Today's topic is a hot one, like the flames on this Charizard VMAX. I just keep buying this Charizard more and more, and I just love them. Anyways, the real question today is: do you want to buy in a DOGECOIN or DOGECOIN or the coin with a dog on it today? And that's gonna be our main question for this video. It's a coin that went from under a cent to a phenomenal 46 cent. A coin, and the coin holders have been enjoying their tendies very much. To begin this video, I have to inform you and to all the viewers that I only own 10 Canadian dollars in Bitcoin. I have a complete understanding of the blockchain technology, not a complete understanding, but a major understanding in the blockchain technology and the crypto markets. I am a firm believer in the stock exchange rather than the crypto markets, because in the stock exchange we have data from over centuries rather than only 10 years what the blockchain technology was made in 2010, and now we're in 2021. So 11 years of data rather than having the centuries and centuries of data we had in the stock exchange. Matthias is a firm owner of many cryptos such as ETH, Ethereum, ADX, and he will be presenting all the bearish point rather than me. I will only present the bullish point, so we can have different perspective on our investments to see if I will see if Doge or any crypto are good investment, and he will see if cryptos have some negatives in them. The answer to buying Dogecoin today is 80% no and 20% yes. First of all, I will explain to you how the price of Dogecoin goes up and how it goes down. And it's all due to its popularity. Because the coin in question is sold upon a system known to mankind ever since its early knowledge of money and finance. It's the system of offer and demand, in which a product is worth what the buyer is willing to pay. Dogecoin's demand only goes up when a certain person named Elon Musk or a company such as Slim Jim does publicity upon it. So a tweet like of Elon Musk on that coin makes its price go up because it's more popular. Then Slim Jim does some publicity, it goes up because the popularity of it is going up. And we also have one of the most popular websites that we will refer as BH utilize Dogecoin as a currency for you to access the premium services of that special website. Another very interesting factor about DOGECOIN: if you had invested in your first stimulus check in DOGE, today it would be worth more than $200,000. And we have other currencies also. You can see if you had invested in them with your first stimulus check and how much they would be worth today exactly. And it's very amazing to see such growth numbers in the crypto industry.
So I'll be presenting the bearish standpoint on Dogecoin. I am very bearish. I would never buy it, and I don't recommend you guys buying it. So the first factor why it's not a good coin, in my opinion, is that it's super inflationary. So if you just buy Dogecoin and it doesn't go up in price, doesn't go down in price, the how many Dogecoins are mined? It's 10,000 per minute, right? So there's just more offer, and if there's the same level of demand, it'll just go down. So already off the bat, it's a terrible starting point, right? So it won't be able to replace the dollar or anything, right? Secondly, it doesn't have anything special. Anything you can do with Dogecoin, you could probably do with Bitcoin. So if you want to buy something on the dark web, you could probably buy it with Bitcoin. If you want to for PH, right, that Nuevo talked about recently, you could do the same thing. You could buy it with Bitcoin. So already it's inflationary, so if you hold it, you lose money. So just Bitcoin is just a way better alternative if you want to buy stuff. Not only that, the fees on Dogecoin, yes, they're lower than Bitcoin, but there are a lot of other coins that are lower than Dogecoin. Like, by example, BNB. BNB is the Binance coin. The fees are a lot lower, and worst comes to worst, you just buy BNB and then you swap it into Bitcoin, or you swap it into another coin. So there's really no point in buying Dogecoin if you want to buy something else. Not only that, Dogecoin, you can't stake it, right? So if you buy it, there's no other returns. Let's say you have Ethereum, you could stake it 9%. You have a BNB, you could stake it 7%, right? You could even stake it 14% for a limited time right now. ADX 46%. Doge, it doesn't have really any way to bring you more money. It only loses you money with how much it's inflationary. Not only that, if you look at the transactions per minute, the transactions per minute are just not good. It's 0.016 transactions per second. Ethereum is 10 per second. Bitcoin is 4.6, if I remember correctly, per second. It's slow. It costs lots of money. It loses you money. There's no way to profit off of it. The only way you could really make money with it, it's the hype and the demand just going way up for no reason. So, in my opinion, and yours should be at the same as mine, seriously, I do not consider buying Dogecoin. I think it's going to do the same thing as GME. It's going to be a big pump for no reason and then just crash because it's a meme and that's what people like, I guess. But long term, not a good investment.
To end the video on a positive note, Dogecoin has the opportunity to become a juggernaut in the marketing space. Like Bitcoin can be the new gold, Dogecoin can be the new marketing gold. And it is but unfortunately the marketing industry is constantly evolving, and you should be aware of that. So for example, today it's hot, tomorrow it's not, and that is very important when you are getting into Dogecoin and all of its publicity, whatever it is. You should be very careful. Also, at the same time, subscribe to the BNB, the Binance coin. Unfortunately, we are not the Binance coin. We are just a YouTube channel informing about the best investments on earth, and that is not Dogecoin.